Morning student, Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to Atmi Green School, Jadeshwar Bharuch. My name is Swati Sharma and it's class 8 maths and our chapter is visualizing solid shapes. In this chapter we learn about solid shapes and solid having some faces, some edges and vertices. Okay, so what is the relationship between face, edge and vertices? What is face, what is edge and what is vertices? Student, you know, whenever you touch your mobile phone, they have some आपको पता है जो टच स्क्रीन होती है डेट इज कॉल्ड फेसेस. ओके, एंड द लाइन सेगमेंट जहाँ से आपको उसकी एंडिंग दिखती है डेट इज कॉल्ड एजेस. ओके, so this is what is the relationship between faces, edges and vertices. In this chapter we learn. Okay, and we know solid having some length, breadth and height also, or they have volume, means they have covered some space. Okay, so we can say that they are a solid shapes. Okay, and solid shapes is also called we call 3D shapes, means they have three dimensional, that is length, breadth and height. Okay, when we talk about line, then line have only length. Okay, so line is not a 3D shapes. If we talk about जो शेप्स हम बोर्ड पर ब्लैक बोर्ड पर ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं, जो शेप वी आर ड्रॉइंग इन अ book, so they are called only 2D shapes because they have only length and breadth. Okay, but 3D shapes they have length, breadth and height और आप बोल सकते हैं उसमें कुछ deepness होती है, और we can say that they have some volume, they cover the space. Okay, understand? So they are called solid shapes. Okay, understand? What is solid shapes? That is three-dimensional shape. Three-dimensional shape is called solid shapes. Okay, we can say if the shape are three-dimensional, then it is called solid shapes. Okay, and we see what is top view, front view and right view or side view of the figure. Okay, if this is cube, then what is top surface? Top view of this surface is square. Okay, understand? What is front view? Front view अगर हम देखेंगे, so front view of this surface is this is the front view. Okay, and what is right view? Means आप साइड में से जब देखते हैं तो वो right view कहलाएगा. Okay, this is called right view of the figure. Okay, understand? Now see, अगर हम इस नेक्स्ट फिगर का अगर हम टॉप व्यू और साइड व्यू देखेंगे तो टॉप व्यू कैसा दिख रहा है बच्चों इसका? सी हियर द टॉप व्यू ऑफ दिस फिगर. टॉप व्यू इज सर्कुलर. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ व्हाट अबाउट फ्रंट व्यू? फ्रंट व्यू आपको कैसा दिख रहा है उसका? दिस फ्रंट व्यू इज शो अस दिस वे. ओके, दिस इज ट्रेपेजियम. ओके, understand? This is our front view. And what about side view? Side view also a trapezium. Okay, understand? So this way we see the figure. Okay, understand? Now see the figure. If this is the mate and the cubes are, हमने उस पर कुछ cubes रखे हैं. Now what is the side view, front view and top view of this figure? Okay, so when we see on the top, front and right view. Okay, so what is the top view of this figure? So when you see on the top, see the figure, जब आप ऊपर से देख रहे हैं उस पर तो आपको क्या दिख रहा है उससे? वन स्क्वायर. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ उसके पास में आपको एक और स्क्वायर दिख रहा है रेड कलर का. ओके, और एक और ब्लू स्क्वायर भी दिख रहा है आपको. ओके, सो दिस इज योर टॉप व्यू. Okay, top view of the figure is this. Okay, this is your top view. Now what about front view? Front view of the figure is red, blue. Okay, this is your right view, this is your front view. Okay, understand? So front view में आपको क्या दिख रहा है बच्चों? Red, then yellow, and then blue. Okay, this is your front view. See here the front view. Okay, same. Now side view or right view. See the right view of the figure. What is the right view? Red, yellow and blue. Okay, so this is your right view of the figure. Okay, understand? So student, I hope you have completed exercise and question first, second and third. Okay, question third is same as the question first and second, and question fourth. Draw the front view, side view and top view of the given object. So you have to see, आपको उस टाइप का कोई ऑब्जेक्ट है तो उसे ऊपर से, साइड से एंड फ्रंट से देख करके उसको ड्रॉ करना है आपकी नोटबुक में. ओके, व्हाट इज़ योर फ्रंट व्यू, व्हाट इज़ योर टॉप व्यू एंड व्हाट इज़ द साइड व्यू. ओके, नाउ मैपिंग स्पेस अराउंड अस. यू हैव बीन डीलिंग विथ मैप सिंस यू वेयर इन प्राइमरी क्लासेस. अब हम पढ़ चुके हैं मैप के बारे में. कई बार तो सोसाइटी, कोई सोसाइटी रहती है उसके बाहर भी मैप लगा होता है. ओके, हम मैप जो है हम एटलस में भी देखते हैं. ओके, सो व्हेन वी रीड द मैप, so student, you have dealing with map since your primary classes. A map is a different form of a picture. Okay, a picture gives the real description of an object, while a map give you only the location in relation to other objects. Okay, map only give you the location in relation to the other object. Okay, understand? Different position person can give different description of the object and its reflect in the picture, but a map remain the same irrespective of the position of the observer. Okay, use of certain symbol and mentioning of distance in map help you to read map easily. Okay, distance on the map are proportional to the actual distance. Thus an actual distance of 1 kilometer or 10 kilometer may be shown by 1 millimeter or 1 centimeter. Okay, a scale can vary from map to map but is fixed within a map. Okay, वो मैप के अंदर तो फिक्स रहेगा बट हर एक अलग अलग मैप के लिए स्केल डिफरेंट हो सकता है. ऑन अ मैप देयर इज़ नो perspective, that is object may be closer or further from each other. Okay, but they will look the same. Okay, understand? See this map. Okay, if this is the map of your house, now look at the map which has been drawn by 7-year-old Raghav. Okay, as the route from his house to his school, from this map can you tell how far is Raghav's school from his school? Okay, would every circle in the map depict a roundabout? Whose school is nearer to the house, Raghav's or his sister's? So it is very difficult because there is no scale. Okay, and answer the above question on the basis of the given map. Can you tell why? Because there is no scale. Okay, the reason is that we do not know if the distance have been drawn properly or whether the circle drawn are राउंडेड और रिप्रेजेंट समथिंग एल्स. खाली सर्कल ऐसे ही ड्रॉ कर दिए हैं या सर्कल के रूप में वो कुछ और बताना चाह रहा है. ओके, सो दिस मैप इज नॉट अ सफिशिएंट, हमें इस मैप में सफिशिएंट इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं मिल रही है. ओके, नाउ लुक एट द अनदर मैप ड्रॉन बाय हिज सिस्टर. ओके, अब उसकी सिस्टर ने जो मैप बनाया है वो देखिए आप. फ्रॉम हर हाउस टू हर स्कूल. सो सी द डिस्टेंस, सी द मैप from her house to her school. So what is the distance between his map and his sister's map? So see, उसने वहाँ पर आपको स्केल भी दिया हुआ है, प्लस आपको क्या दिया हुआ है, and his sister is 10-year-old. Okay, to show the route for her house to her school, and this map is different from the earlier map. Here Meena has used different symbol for different landmark. Secondly, longer line segment have been drawn for longer distance and shorter line segment have been drawn for shorter distance. That is, she has drawn the map to a scale. उसने क्या डाला हुआ है वहाँ पर, स्केल डाला हुआ है, और हर एक लैंडमार्क के लिए डिफरेंट क्या यूज़ करे हैं उसने, डिफरेंट लैंडमार्क यूज़ करे हैं. ओके, सिंबल यूज़ किए हैं. ओके, नाउ यू कैन आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन. हाउ फार इज राघोस स्कूल फ्रॉम हिज रेसिडेंस? सो यू कैन सी 1/2 किलोमीटर प्लस 1 किलोमीटर प्लस 1/2 किलोमीटर. सो यू can give answer easily. Okay, understand? To see this map and you can give the answer easily. Okay, understand? So this way, if the map is, thus we realize that use of certain symbol and mentioning the distance has helped us read the map easily. Okay, observe that the distance shown on the map are proportional to the actual distance on the ground. This is done by considering a proper scale while drawing the map. Okay, one must know to what scale it has been taken. Okay, how much of actual distance is denoted by 1 millimeter or 1 centimeter in a map. Okay, this means that if one draw a map, he or she has to decide that 1 centimeter of space in that map show a certain fixed distance, or say 1 kilometer or 10 kilometer. Okay, this scale can vary from map to map but not within a map. For instance, look at the map of India alongside the map of Delhi. Okay, आप इस टाइप से भी देख करके उसे ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल. Thus we can summarize that a map object that the location of a particular object place in relation to other object place. Okay, symbol are used to depict the different object or place. There is no reference or perspective in map. That is, objects that are closer to the observer are shown to be the same size as those that are further away from. For example, look at the following illustration. Okay, अगर हम यहाँ पर देख रहे हैं तो जो आपको पास में जो पेड़ दिख रहा है और दूर में जो दिख रहा है उसमें थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस रखा है. ओके, मैप यूज्ड अ स्केल विच इज़ फिक्स फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर मैप. इट रिड्यूस द रियल डिस्टेंस प्रोपोर्शनली टू द डिस्टेंस on the paper. Okay, understand? So these are main thing you have to know And what is exercise 10.2? See the exercise 10.2. This is the look at the given map of a city and answer the following question. Okay, color the map as follow. आपको ब्लू करना है वाटर, रेड फायर स्टेशन, ऑरेंज लाइब्रेरी, येलो स्कूल, ग्रीन पार्क एंड पिंक कॉलेज, पर्पल हॉस्पिटल, ब्राउन सीमेंट्री. आपको ये सारे कलर इस पर कर देना है. ओके, आपको बुक में ही करना है ये सब. नाउ सेकेंड में आपको क्या बोल रहा है? मार्क अ ग्रीन एक्स एट द इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ रोड सी. and Nehru Road green, Y at the intersection of Gandhi Road at Road A. ओके, सो ये आपको सब कुछ करके रखना है. उसमें आप पढ़ते जाइए, पढ़ करके आपको क्या करना है? उसे कंप्लीट करना है. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? सो complete these questions. Draw a map of your classroom using proper scale and symbol for different objects. Okay, or draw map of your school compound using proper scale and symbol for various feature like playground, main building, garden, etc. ओके, आपको ये सब अपने मन से ही ड्रॉ करना है. ओके, नाउ ड्रॉ अ मैप गिविंग इंस्ट्रक्शन टू योर फ्रेंड सो दैट शी रीचेस योर हाउस विदाउट एनी डिफिकल्टी. ओके, सो this is the exercise 10.2 you have complete in your notebook. Now faces, edges and vertices. When we talk about a 3D shape, there is some faces, vertices and edges. Okay, so let we learn about it. So an object that has three dimensions such as length, breadth and height and occupies space is called 3D shapes, or we can say that three-dimensional shapes. Okay, or simply is a solid shapes. Okay, some example of commonly seen solid shapes, that is book, ball, okay, cone, cube. It's a common example of 3D shape. Okay, when we use mobile is a example of cuboid. Okay, because that is rectangular. Book is also example of cuboid. Okay, the surface of a solid is called the face. जो भी हम सरफेस देखते हैं सॉलिड की, उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? फेस बोलते हैं. ओके, द फेस कैन बी प्लेन और अ कर्व सरफेस. व्हेन any two faces of the solid meet together, a line segment called an edge, उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? edge. Okay, edge is formed when three or more faces of the solid meet at one point. The point is called a vertex of the solid. Okay, understand? So what is face? The surface of a solid is called the face of the solid. face हमने किसे बोला? surface को बोला solid की. okay, understand? and where two faces are meet and form a line, that is called edge of the solid. okay, understand? and where three or more faces of the solid meet at one point, the point is called a vertex of solid. okay, understand? So there is face, edge and vertices of two solids. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं face किसे कहा है, edge किसे कहा है and vertices किसे कहा है. okay, understand? see this figure. See the polyhedron. What is polyhedron? Each of these solid is made up of polygonal region which are called its faces. These faces meet at edges which are line segment, and the edges meet at vertices which are points. Such solid are called polyhedrons. Okay, इन solids को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Polyhedron कहते हैं. Okay, see the polyhedrons, and this is not a polyhedrons. Okay, understand what is the difference between polyhedrons? See, and how are polyhedron different from the non-polyhedron? Study the figure carefully. You know three other type of common solids. See, curved solid is sphere, that is आपके पास में balls होती हैं. Ball are the example of sphere. Okay, cone, cylinder. Okay, now convex polyhedron. So see the convex polyhedron and convex polyhedron. Convex means जिसके सारे के सारे diagonals हमारे अंदर की साइड हैं. ओके, that is called convex. and non convex means diagonal उसके बाहर भी हो सकते हैं. हम दो vertices को मिलाते हैं तो diagonal हमारे बाहर की साइड भी हो सकते हैं. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. रेगुलर पॉलीहेड्रॉन किसे बोलेंगे? अ पॉलीहेड्रॉन इज सेड टू बी रेगुलर इफ इट्स फेसेस आर मेड अप ऑफ रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन एंड द सेम नंबर ऑफ फेसेस मीट एट ईच वर्टेक्स. ओके, सो वी कैन से दैट इट्स अ regular polyhedron. Okay, understand. Now see some examples of polyhedrons or prism or pyramid. What is pyramid? What is prism? Okay, and write how many faces, how many vertices and how many edges of there. Okay, so it's your homework. You can see the shape cuboid, triangular pyramid, triangular prism and so on, and you can write how many faces, how many vertices and how many edges are there. Okay, understand. So complete this table. Okay, understand. So today we learn about solid shapes, and in solid shapes how many faces, vertices, what are faces, what are vertices and what are edges. Okay, understand. So learn it and remember it. Okay, have a good day.